Lucid has a major catalyst coming tomorrow that not too many people are talking about, but this could make major headlines. So I do want to bring it to your guys' attention, keep you guys up to date with what is going on with Lucid Motors, because I know a lot of you guys are big time investors in Lucid Motors, whether it is for the long term or for a trade. So I want to give you guys the whole scope of what is going on tomorrow, as well as what could potentially happen with the share price. So let's not waste any time. Let's get into this video. Hit the like button for me, consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys think this will entail for Lucid Motors. What is your guys' expectations? All of your opinions are very valuable to me. So make sure you guys do that. By doing all that, you help push this video out to even more people. So I do love and appreciate every single one of you guys for doing that. So let's get straight into this video. And Lucid Motors is down 2.18% as we do currently speak. And why this catalyst, besides what is actually going to be said, is so important on a technical basis, we are sitting at a very important level. We are literally right on our support level at $22.73 per share. This is a line that I have had drawn out for a very long time. This has been a major support level for a while now. If we do fall under this, if this catalyst is not all as it is expected to be, then expect a drop down to about $20 per share. If this does exceed expectations, which I do believe it will, and we will talk about why I think it will a little bit later into this video, then we should go well above $25 per share. And exactly what this catalyst is comes from a tweet 2 hours ago from Lucid Motors. It's nearly time. Tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific time, catch the live reveal of hashtag Dream Drive, our ultra intuitive ADAS technology. And what exactly is ADAS technology? For those of you guys that don't know, it is advanced driver assistance systems. The role of ADAS is to prevent deaths and injuries by reducing the number of car accidents and the serious impact of those that cannot be avoided. And specifically what you can think about this in a relative term is automatic parking, collision avoidance, lane assistance, artificial intelligence, navigation, V2X connectivity, speed control. What the big thing is going to be is artificial intelligence. This is going to be, what have they done in their software systems over the years to compete with companies like Tesla? Are they going to have automated driving or self-driving systems that are in place, something along the same lines as Tesla? As Peter Rawlinson, the CEO of Lucid, has said many times before, this is really a technology race. And if he has, going to come true with anything that he has said, this should compete with Tesla. We should be looking at some time frame for self-driving. That would not surprise me, but I don't think investors are really pricing that in, as this is going to be announced tomorrow. And if it is not announced tomorrow, we could see this sell-off going down to about $20 per share. If this does exceed expectations, that's where we will see the rally above $25 per share. So really, this is the major announcement of what kind of software they are expected to have with the Lucid Airs that could compete with Tesla and other car companies. And like I said, Peter Rawlinson has said this is a software race, not necessarily just who can make the coolest, the fastest car. So I do expect great things to happen. If, like I said, it does not, for whatever reason, expect a little bit of a sell-off and a buying opportunity. Now, as far as the short interest is concerned, we're looking at 9.79% short interest percentage of free float, which is not impressive overall, that number. But what is impressive is the number of shares that are sold short at 53.11 million. And relative to the volume that we have been seeing on any given day, at about 20 million in volume, a little bit less than that on most days, that's well over 2 days worth of total volume on the stock were to go in as just shorts having to cover, if they all did have to cover. Days to cover at 2.31, so that means it would take 2.31 days to cover all of these shares that are sold short, meaning that we are likely to see a longer extended short squeeze if that does play out. Share utilization is at 73.33%, meaning there is, about 27% of the overall, shares that are outstanding that could be sold short. So that right there is a good level. We could see more shorting going on with the stock. we're not really looking at the chance of 4 share recalls. Free flow on loan at 10.61% relative to the short interest at 9.79%. We do have room for the short interest to go to about 10%, but I don't expect it to actually surpass that. So all in all, that is the catalyst that is coming out tomorrow. Could either be a great buy the dip opportunity, or you could see a big price action move to the upside. It's really on, anything's on the table, but I do expect great things to be happening, just because from everything that Lucid Motors has said thus far, they have actually, downplayed their vehicles. Like we did see with the EPA verified 520 mile range, they only estimated about 500 miles for the range. That actually came in lower. Well, the actual verified numbers came in higher than what they had estimated. Everything else seems to be on track with what they are saying. So I do expect something good to come out of this, but I'm not a financial advisor, not a financial planner or your dad, so don't make any trades based directly off what is said in this video or any video in general. Take all this information in and come to your own conclusions. But that is really all I have to add. I still have my same position of 300 shares, averaged at about $21.50 per share. That's about $8,000 worth of Lucid Motors. I have no plans on selling this anytime soon. My price target for Lucid Motors by 2025 is about $200 per share. That would mean an $8,000 investment would turn into $80,000 by 2025. I will take that any day of the week. So that is all. Let me know your guys' opinion down below in the comment section of this video. Like the video, consider subscribing if you guys got value out of this short little video. If you guys want to get notified every time I make a trade in Lucid or any other stock, whether it's a day trade, swing trade, or longer term investment, check out the link in the description of this video for the buy and sell alerts. Also, link for free stock with Public and Webull, also link down below in the description of this video. So that is going to be all. You guys enjoy the rest of your night, and I will see you in the next one.